Hi guys, it's Marlena, and today we are going to do a video, so let's get started. For this video, like and subscribe, and we have a new guest here. Her name is
Avery.
Okay, so we are going to show you some of my satisfying slimes. So, let's get started. So, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who can pick first. Okay, we're getting cracking the knuckles. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. Oh, okay. Avery goes first. I always pick paper.
I pick this one.
Okay, show them what it is first.
It's this slime.
Butter.
One of Madalena's best slimes.
Yes, it is.
Probably actually best.
I'm gonna go wet my hair because it's very frizzy, okay? You can just talk.
So this is Madalena's best butter slime.
As you can see, I just wet my hair to get that little shine, you know. Okay, can I have a little feely for my beelies? I don't know what that is, but whatever.
I would add the foam beads to this one.
Maybe. I don't
Because
know.
it'll make it crunchy.
Okay, so now
Crunchy ones are so satisfying.
I get a pick
And
because,
poking.
Ready? Poke. Look at that. Satisfaction. Look at that. Satisfaction.
How many subscribers do you have?
We are not going to tell you because there's a lot of them, and also there's going to be a lot of more subscribers for this video because it's going to be amazing. Okay, let's move on to the next one right here. So, I get to pick this time.
So wait, are we putting this one to the side now?
Yes, put
So
that
like
one.
here?
Yeah.
So like putting it away.
Putting it away basically, but not really.
We'll put it over here.
Okay, now next slime.
Is you.
I pick
I was gonna say
cloud slime.
Yeah, I know.
So as you can see, there is some iridescent glitters, super pretty, and very stretchy. Gotta be careful so we don't get this on my furniture because it's my room. Okay, so this is a nice cloud slime that I make. So I'm not gonna tell you the recipe because it's a secret recipe. No one knows but me and Avery.
Yeah. And Luca.
No, he doesn't know because he barely makes slime.
Yeah, and he's so bad at playing.
And
with
just
it.
saying, this is my sister. She's never in my videos because she's older than me and she has to go somewhere probably, or she's hanging out with her friends. So yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
And you never told me that you got a YouTube channel.
Yeah, we keep it a secret. Okay, so next one we are going to do. We have to wrap this up really quick. Okay, so
I'm just picking this up.
Okay. Ooh. If my mom has a Fitbit, she'll know. Oh, did it mix?
No, it didn't.
Oh, this is supposed to go there. So this is a triple layered putty. We got to go a little quicker because she has to go to soccer games. So she has to get ready and stuff. So this is it. Really cool. Yeah, put it there.
You know why? Because it's one of my last games.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
It's actually the last game, so I actually need to go.
Okay, so we have to hurry up.
I know I had soccer earlier, like a different game for travel.
Okay, so
this is a different league.
This is it. Ooh, it's very shiny, and this is a glow in the dark. It's a little stiff though because I was playing with it a lot, but it's so stretchy because I loved it and it was super stretchy. And look at it, it's so pretty. What? Okay, so we're gonna wrap this up really quickly. So,
the last time
I'm gonna do this one too.
I'm just showing you this.
So it comes with crunchy beads and this one. And how does that feel? This is like weird and like
This
you put
is really a good poking slime because it's very satisfying.
So it's a pink butter too. I make a lot of butter. So last one we're gonna
butters
do.
are mostly satisfying and clouds. And then
So now we're gonna do the next one, which is the smallest one, and
probably the worst one.
it's actually color changing.
Wait,
So-
it is?
Yeah, look.
Oh my gosh,
So
wait.
basically, this is silly putty, and when I play with it, it will turn yellow.
Oh wait, that actually makes it cool.
So yeah.
Hi guys. Hi.
Hi. So this is Luca, and yeah.
I have a question.
Stop. Okay. So this is color changing. See how it's yellow? So yeah. If you like this video, smash that like button and we'll see you next time.
So,
Goodbye.